Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G52, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. Firstly, you need to find Recorder app and click on it. Now select OK in the pop-up, tap on while using the app and allow, and click on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it by using the smaller one next to it. If you wish to end it and save it though, click on the red one again. Now choose Delete at the bottom left corner if you wish to get rid of your recording right away, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to save it though, you can add a title over here. Click on the back button, choose Save at the bottom right corner. And my recording is over here. In order to play it, just click on it and tap on this button. If you wish to delete it though, you need to go back, hold it, select this bin icon at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!